Hey guys, Houston Math Prep here. Welcome back. In this video, we're going to look at another graphical display for a frequency distribution, this time called a dot plot. So a dot plot is actually pretty similar to a stem and leaf plot, if you watched that video. It takes each item, places them on a number line, and then what we do is we place a dot above that number on the number line to indicate how many of that item we have. So this, having 4 dots above 6, tells me that 6 is a data value that appears 4 times. I can see that there is 1 7 in this set of sample data. There are no 8s, 3 9s, 1 10, and so on and so on. We typically love to have a label for what we're dealing with and a title. So once we've got all of those elements, we can create a dot plot. All right, back to our census data that we've been working with. Let's create a dot plot for age. Just like in all of the other frequency distributions and graphical displays for the frequency distributions, if you have the opportunity to put your data in order, that's going to make it so easy for you to work with. So here I'm going to start. I've got myself a number line. I'm going to give myself a title, and I'm just going to put it pretty high. I can see that I have a lot of 17s and stuff, so I want to give myself plenty of space to put those dots. So this is going to be a dot plot of ages. I'm also going to go ahead and label what's on my number line. These are going to be ages in years. Okay guys, the next thing that I need is I need to put my ages on the number line. And if I'm missing a value or if I don't have that, I still want to make sure that I have everything from my lowest value up to my highest value. Don't skip any values. So my lowest value is 11, and I need to get all the way up to 21. So I have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. I didn't quite use my whole number line, so I could have spread those out just a little bit, but that's okay, as long as I've got everything on there. I also made the choice to only label every other number, but certainly if you had spread it out, you might want to label every number. It doesn't matter one way or the other, as long as it's readable. Okay, now my job is to come in and place a dot for each number that I have. So I have 2 11s, meaning above 11, I'm going to place 1, 2 dots. Next, I have 12, and I have 2 of those as well. So I want to place 2 dots above 12, making sure that my first dot for 12 is in line with my first dot for 11, and my second dot for 12 is also in line. So if you have 2 values that have the same number of dots, then those should extend up vertically the same amount. All right, I have 113, so I'm going to place 1 dot there, again, making sure that it's aligned with all the first dots. I have no 14, so I'm going to go ahead and leave that blank. 15, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. So I'll place 4 dots, trying to space them evenly and align them with my other dots that I have. All right, there's my 4 of 15. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 16s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 16s. Let's see how many 17s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3 18s. 1, 2, 3 18s, 1 19, no 20s, and 1 21. So things to notice about our dot plot. It also looks a little bit like a bar chart. It allows us to see which values have more than others, but like the stem and leaf plot, it retains the original data. If I didn't have my data chart here and I only had my dot plot, I could recreate this column of data by listing 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, and so on. So a dot plot still allows you to see the shape and the general distribution of your data, but it retains the individual data values. All right, guys, that does it for us on dot plots. We'll catch you in the next video.